We spend a lot of time managing files. Sometimes saving, sharing, viewing, or syncing pictures, music, or documents is just too much work. Drive is the answer. Files are synchronized between devices using desktop and mobile apps, allowing you to access your data anytime, anywhere. You can share single files as well as complete folders, like your latest vacation pictures. You can also easily connect to other cloud storage solutions and manage your files between them. In combination with the Documents apps, Drive allows you to view, create, and edit text documents, spreadsheets, and presentations online. Simplify teamwork by inviting friends to view and edit documents in real time. Drive. File management has never been easier.